Good morning, Synergy. You ready for your shower? Good boy. You like that, huh? More? Gotta clean your beautiful tail. Wanna go in the bird room? Synergy's trying to dry off from his bath, and he's gonna have a great time in here. I know he's gonna love all these Christmas toys. He's probably gonna rip them to shreds. Curious how long that's gonna take, but he's busy trying to dry his face off right now. You have a good time. So they're gonna have a good time before I let out all the little birds. Kingsley, look at you. You're so beautiful. And there he goes. It's okay. You can do it. That's a good boy. Oh, Kingsley, did you scare him away? He'll come back. Kingsley's going to help. He's going to go check out that Christmas toy. Yeah. They had their own Christmas toys in their cage, but they haven't seen these toys yet. And, you know, to them it's like new and they want to look at them and shred them. All right, what do you think, Synergy? You good boy? You getting dry? He loves that net. He's always climbing in it. Look at Kingsley. You like that toy, Kingsley? He looks so excited. He's so excited to see all these new toys. Look at him go. I knew he would do this. He would come in here and just shred all the toys. Going to have a good day today, aren't you? Yes. Do you want dance? Okay. Ready? 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 I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle, pickle, pickle. Ready? Whee! Ready? Whee! Ready? Ready? Whee! Ready? Hey, good boy. I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle. As soon as I say you want to dance, you just want to dance? Want to dance? Want to dance? You like to dance, 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 dance. Ready? Ready? Whee! Ready? Whee! Ready? Whee! Ready? Whee! Ready? Whee! He's so cute. You are so cute. Look at you. Oh. Isn't he beautiful? Look at his colors. Oh, he's dancing by himself now. I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle, pickle, pickle. Whee! Look at his tail. It's so long. It's like really long. It's beautiful. He's like, all right, Mom. I got to get busy chewing these toys. Leave me alone. I don't want to dance right now. Look at this. Kingsley's not as big of a chewer as Synergy is. Synergy just loves to chew everything. Don't you? Yes. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You chew, you chew, you chew. He's so excited that this tree is going around and around. Round and around, and you want to dance. Wee, wee, wee. I'm not a good singer, Synergy. Okay, ready? I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle. I'm a green pickle. He's sung. He's singing. I'm a green pickle. Sing. I'm a green pickle. Sing, sing, sing. Yes. Wee. Ready? Wee. Ready? Wee. Ready? Wee. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Look at his head. It's so gorgeous. He's still a little bit wet from his bath. Once he dries, he'll look really pretty. Well, he is pretty already, but you know what I mean. Look at him. What you doing, Kingsley? You got that toy up there? Kingsley looks so big, eh? Compared to all my small birds when they're in this net. He looks huge. Well, he is bigger, obviously, but it just looks, you know, sometimes it looks funny to me because he's so huge. He's my biggest boy. He's getting his daily exercise. Oh, there he goes. He likes that. Good job, Kingsley. Good job. I brought you some breakfast. I got some cranberries in there. Oh, he sees it. He's gonna go check it out. It's like Tarzan, just crawling down all these ropes and vines. There you go, buddy. Oh, there comes Kingsley. He's got the cranberry. You know what I find the birds love with the cranberries? There's little seeds inside, and they can eat those. And all the birds pick out those little seeds. And that's what he's probably doing. But he's eating the inside of the cranberry as well. You like that? Look what's waiting for me outside. One of my squirrels. Come on, baby. Here. There's a walnut for you. Bye. Synergy, Kingsley, I gotta do some chores and I'll come back and check on you. And did you just say okay? Sound like you said okay. Yeah? Did you say okay? Kingsley, is that alright? I can check on you soon? You're alright by yourself? Look how handsome you look. Oh, you're so beautiful. Are you a good boy? Yeah, I know. See you later. Okay, go chew up those toys. Go see what Kingsley and Synergy are doing. What you doing? Well, hi, Synergy. Did you chew any more stuff up? Let's see. Oh, it looks like you might have worked on this one. Oh, yeah, you did. Wow, what a good job. Good job, buddy. Yes. Look at you did all that chewing. You're having a good time. I knew you would. I've still got quite a few to chew, but looks like he chewed a lot of the wooden pieces. Probably Synergy did that. Hey guys, good job guys. Did you have fun? Okay, we have to go back into the living room so that the little guys can come out, okay? Synergy, come on. Come on, Synergy. Come on. Attaboy. I have to get Kingsley. He doesn't like coming out of the bird room too much. Come on, Kingsley. I gotta get him a treat. You want a treat? Kingsley, I got a walnut for you. Come. Come. Attaboy. Yes. All right, go back into the living room, okay? Okay, you're going to go in there because I got to let all the little birdies out and then I got to go to the bank. Let's go. There he is. Come. So what I do is I put the treats in his food bowl and he's going to go right in. Good job, buddy. Good job. There you go. Did you have a fun time? Yeah, so they were in the bird room for about 4 hours. Gonna let all the little birds out now, and I gotta go to the bank, do some chores, and when I come home, I will let them out again. Along with Malibu. Malibu was out. He was just in the living room. He doesn't play well with these two in the bird room, so I don't let him in there together, but he just went in his cage as well. Okay? Right, so I'll be back. You be good, okay? You take care of each other.